welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jasenia and it's good to have you. In today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make the muffins right at home. And these are basically like baked pinwheels. Now, all of the ingredients that you're going to need is a crescent roll and your pizza seasonings, or I couldn't find any, so I just used half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of parsley, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt as well. Pizza seasoning works fine in lieu of these items here. In addition to that, you're going to need pizza sauce. And to top off our baked pinwheels, you're going to want to add the grated Parmesan cheese as well. Now here I have 2.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. I have 4 bacon slices and pepperoni. In addition to that, I have the maple ham. And this comes in 2-ounce packs. At the 99-cent store. This is where I purchased mine from, but bacon ham works as well at your local grocery store. All right, so let's get started. You do want to leave the crescent roll out until closer to using it so it's more manageable to work with. So let's go ahead and begin. And the next step, you're just going to pour over some flour right over your surface there. So go ahead and roll out the crescent roll. You also are going to want to add on some to your bolillo, or your rolling pin. All right, so you're just going to extend out your crescent roll. What you want to do first is pinch in the creases here, and then work on rolling out your crescent roll. Just pinch this in, or just pinch it in. Either one works. And then we'll go ahead and work on extending it out. Just like this. The next part, I'm just going to be adding in my pizza sauce all over the surface here and just spreading it out with my spatula, just like this. Get that all incorporated around the edges. Okay, so it should look something like this, and then just go ahead and incorporate your cheese all around. And it smells delicious already, so I do invite you to try this at home. With different variations. You can try it with, sausage and cheese by itself, or just pepperoni on its own. That works too. Or for quick breakfast ideas, making these with chorizo and potatoes and keeping out this, maybe adding hot sauce in lieu of the pizza sauce. Possibilities are endless for this quick and easy meal, and I'm sure everyone in your home will enjoy. Okay, so next step for me is adding in the seasoning. Okay, next I'm going to take the maple ham and just lay it all the way down there, and the same with the bacon bites. I'm just going to lay out the pepperonis. Okay, so should start looking something like this. Now you're going to want to go ahead and work inwards and continue to roll until he goes just straight across. And you can cut these as thick as you'd like. But of course, the thicker you cut them, the bigger that they will be. All right, so I'm just going to cut mine about 2 fingers of width there. And then just lay it out upside just like this. And continue. Alrighty guys, so after cutting through our pinwheels, I went ahead and sealed around to connect the croissants together so it doesn't come apart. So this is what they should look like. I have these and these right over here. Pour over some of my Parmesan cheese over each one. And then I'm going to set them to bake to 14 minutes at 350 degrees. And that's all it's going to take. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and allowed my pinwheels to bake for 14 minutes, and this is what they look like. You probably, you know, if you're not in a rush, I would recommend, again, freezing the croissants once it's all rolled up prior to, but these are quick and delicious to make, so I do hope that you try them. And then what you can do is go ahead and garnish them again with the grated cheese right over it now that they are all ready. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out other recipes within this growing YouTube family. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.